Big hello to all my viewers. Friends, this is the last day of my 4 days facial aesthetic workshop, and I was so happy to have six doctors coming from different parts of the country to attend my workshop. It's really nice to see the youngsters coming up, going into the field of facial aesthetics, which is a ever evolving, it's nice, rewarding field. And you guys have spent so much time. You guys are practitioners. You have spent 4 years traveling for 4 days and traveling 2 days, coming here all the way to Mumbai, spending almost a week with me. Really, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all for sparing this 6 7 days. And it was really appreciable that you guys have come. I've tried, we have tried, my team has tried to deliver whatever best possible. So as a this thing, I mean, I would like to know your feedback from you guys, how your experience was, what your expectations was. Could we match up to your expectations? Could I teach you? Could I deliver whatever it is? And your overall experience, so that it can benefit our other doctors who would like to join me for my facial aesthetic workshops or hair restoration workshop or facial plastic surgical workshops, like facial implants, like genioplasties and things like that. So I'll ask Dr. Mitul. He's a maxillofacial surgeon from Rajkot,
Rajkot, Gujarat. Yeah.
Rajkot, Gujarat. So he has a huge center there. Guys from Rajkot, Dr. Mitul is going, and he's going to be into full-fledged into facial aesthetics. What do you have to say, Dr. Mitul?
Yes, firstly,
This is
sir.
for you.
Thank you. Firstly, sir, it was a very enlightening program because, like, it really matched up to our expectations and all the depth knowledge what you were more than happy to share with us. It is going to really change the life of people in Gujarat wherever we practice our facial cosmetics. The main thing was, sir, we could see almost all the patients, like whatever treatments were taught, all the hands-ons were given, and it was a really great experience. Other than that, sir, mostly all the treatments what we discussed, we actually discussed rather than theory, more of practical things also, which we can really go back and implement from day one. So that was the most crucial part, because we have attended many programs before this also, but we couldn't really implement on the like ground level. So this time we are more hopeful that we are going to implement each and everything taught by you, and looking forward, sir.
Thank you so much, and a big good luck to you. I hope you do a lot of cases in the field of facial aesthetics. Make us proud.
Thank you, sir, and definitely we'll do it, sir.
Dr. Pravajit is from Calcutta. So I know, coming all the way from Calcutta, from out of your busy schedule, it must have been a big job. But what do you have to say?
Hi everyone. So it was really, I've come from far, and I have no regrets because the course, what I thought was, it's more than my expectations. Everybody over here was really very approachable, and especially Dr. Panda, Dr. Aarti, they are powerhouse of knowledge. They are storehouse of knowledge, but they are so down to earth that you can ask them and easily approach them whenever you want to. So I think that is the best thing, because as a learner, you have a lot of questions to ask, and you sometimes hesitate whether I should ask or not. But they never make you feel like that. You know, you can ask anything you want, and the entire staff support, I should say, is amazing. Everybody is very efficient, and the teamwork is very well synchronized. Um, so the best part of the course is that I have got a thorough knowledge about how everything works, so if you understand the basic principles, then performing any procedure becomes very easy. That is very important, and you get that in this course. So at the end, I would say that it's difficult to take out time from a busy practice, but if this course have had been even longer, say about 10 days, I would have happily attended it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and that's really sweet of you. I mean, as I said, like, you guys are busy practitioners. Sparing this much time is also difficult. I know, I understand, but I'm sure I'm always standing behind you. Anytime, any support you need, I'm always there. So you don't have to worry about it. Dr. Arifa Sheikh is from Chennai. She's a Max Fax, and she has, in fact, you have got two aesthetic centers. Last time you came for fat grafting, now again you have come from aesthetics. Really nice to see you, Dr. Arifa. And what do you have to say?
Hi, I actually visited earlier for a fat graft procedure, and I got immense knowledge on that. Then on the same day, I decided that I have to come for the next course. And yeah, when I came for my first course, I couldn't have much conversation with Aarti ma'am. And this time, like Aarti ma'am as well as Arun sir, both of them are equally extremely knowledge, and they make sure that we learn each and everything, and they teach like kindergarten kids to make us understand each and everything from the theory till the clinical aspect. It is like completely worth coming here, and I definitely would be coming again for facial contour course. And it is really, if you really wanted to do the procedure in your practice, I think this is the right place. Definitely they do not do it just for the sake of certification. They give you immense knowledge, so as soon as you complete the course, you can definitely do the procedures.
Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you. You have to say something, Dr. Aarti.
I would just say that in these 3 days, they've been
Fourth.
okay. Today is the fourth day, so the program is designed in a way that we start with the basics, and Dr. Panda always feel that until unless you do it with your hand, you don't understand. So I make sure that the participants who come are they get as much possible hands-on possible. We can give it here, and when they go back, I want a promise from all of you guys that once you go back, it's always a pleasure, and in fact we feel really proud when you guys do excellent.
Better than us.
So, as a mentor, we would always wish that you guys exceed or excel in whichever city. So now today we have 6 different cities. So I would say India will have better radiating facial aestheticians. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Dr. Mrunali is from Kandivali. Fortunately, this time we had one doctor from Bombay. So, Dr. Mrunali, what do you have to say?
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am and sir. Actually, sir, ASCII, it was up to your expectation. Yes, definitely, sir. It is more than our expectation. Sir's knowledge is amazing. He started from basic, and ma'am has taught us practical things in such a easy way. It was really easy to understand and grasp. Means we are looking forward to start immediately in our practice aesthetic things. Actually, big thanks to you and ma'am, sir. Even staff is really very caring, loving, and cooperative. All over, this experience is really great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mrunali. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So, Dr. Natasha, the youngest of the batch. So, she's from Agra. So, what do you have to say to the people of Agra?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Before coming here, I was really into the dilemma that it's just 4 days course. Will I be able to cover all the topics or not? But after coming over here, like for 4 days, I was here, and I don't think any topic is left to be discussed. We discussed one topic for like 4 or 5 times, and we are like thorough with each and every topic. I really look forward to go back to Agra and thank sir and ma'am when my patients are going to come back and tell me that they are really happy with the procedures I'm taking on. And ma'am and sir both have their different different types of experiences, and they teach really well. And like sir is really thorough with the theory part. He just closed his eyes and he was like as if I'm with my earphones on and reading something which is like in the book. He closes his eyes and he's like blah 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 saying everything. And ma'am, when it comes to the procedures, she is just 100%, more than 100%. So I really thank ma'am and sir for everything, for like here when we are here.
And it was designed in such a way, sir, ki from basic to means from basic to advanced. Means you started with basic procedure, superficial procedure, then little deeper, little deeper. First day we got little bit confused. We are not understanding, especially me. It was confusing, but from second day we started enjoying it. But now it's really feeling good.
Yeah. Now you have actually to sing
Yes.
this.
And just to give a
Now we
closure,
are feeling bad.
and just to give a closure for everything, ma'am and sir started giving procedures hand on to each other even. Matlab, we can do on each other. I also have something and I told ma'am that I'm unhappy with this. Ma'am बोला okay चलो करते हैं, तुम्हारा भी करते हैं, तुम्हारा भी करते हैं. This was really nice. The staff is really nice. They just take care of our all the needs, like everything, everything.
Thank you, Natasha. That's really appreciate. Dr. Rahul is a young Max Fax from. Actually, he's from Tripura and now he's in Coimbatore. So I really don't know where are you from. Sorry, Kerala. Which part of Kerala is Calicut? And now you'll be shifting to Pune. So I really don't know.
That part is
That's your everything. So hair transplant. So he is practicing hair restoration. So I'm surprised that you are going to be attending my hair restoration course next week again. So good. Thank you so much.